What's up, people? Today, right now, I'm just sitting in a construction site. Kind of sad. It used to be like this wonderful dead forest. I wish it wasn't gone. Because right now, if you can see, I don't know because it's pretty dark. You see that house over there? I don't know why I'm showing you it. But, yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm so stupid. Here, let me come over here. I'm gonna tell you guys something about that this really fun. So, these guys, construction workers, stupid. I used to love this place. And then these construction workers go like, oh hey, let's break these kids' fun and destroy this place. So they started putting an orange fence right here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it because it is dark. You can see that little line. Here, I'm coming up closer. Here, I think you can see it now. Yeah. They started putting that up. And then they took down all the trees, which was a bit more sad because I used to love this place. Now these stupid people are destroying it with their giant monstrous machines. See? Here's this one. Just see it? If I knew how to drive these right now, I would. I probably actually would make them go into manual, jump out, and have them go in the canal, because there's a canal. I don't care if these things get ruined. I just want this place back. But one of the fun things about what they did, ooh, that looks cool. They made like a bunch of mountains that you can climb on. I wish I brought a flashlight, because then you guys could see better. But right now I've got like a perfect view. Yeah. I hope you guys can see okay, because in this video would be trash. Probably. Oh, it stinks like cow poop over here. Even though this isn't a farm. It's just like a wasteland or whatever. That these stupid people are doing to my favorite place. I would literally be so mad at them right now. They destroyed like everything and replaced it right now a bunch of dirt and rocks. Maybe even dead flowers or whatever. There used to be a giant mountain over here behind this kind of mountain. It was like the tallest mountain there. I would climb it. Now it's gone. I would sue these guys if I was able to. But I can't. Which is kind of sad. Yeah, I really wish I brought a flashlight. I swear. Maybe tomorrow I'll make another video about this, because I really just wanted the place that this used to be the same. But I knew it was going to change. Because there's a sign over there. It said road will be extended in the future or something. And that's exactly what's happening. Right now, I'm just wandering. If you want to see the remains of that mountain, you'll see it, probably. It's so flippin' dark. If I brought a flashlight, I would bring it. I said that like 1,000 times. Here. Right here. If you can possibly see this rock, this is basically the remain of that mountain. That's basically it. I swear. If these guys build houses, I'm gonna probably move in one to remember this place. This place used to be so fun. Now they're just making it worse. Because the flippin' road hasn't been extended in like, what, 6 years? And they're actually extending it now, so, I mean, yeah. I would literally build walls around this whole place so they can't get in, except for like an entrance. This place was amazing, and they had to come over and destroy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You don't really need to give a like, because you can see you in the next video.